Order members. Honorable members. Honorable members. I also use pads. I have periods. Please take your seats. 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 Honorable members, Honorable Watch, I'll give you the mic. Let us listen to each other. Honorable Watch, member for Mathare.
Honorable members, ladies, I actually support your quest. Allow me my point of order. Pads for our girls. And I also have a girl, so I support. Can you allow me the point of order? Yes, including the daughter of the majority leader. For all of them, we all support, including that of the majority leader and myself. We have heard you. Can you allow me the point of order? We have heard you.
Honorable members, the member for Mathare is actually supporting you. Let us hear
allow me my
the
point
member
of order.
for Mathare.
I support.
You have made your point. Please take your seats.
Yes.
Honorable Watch, go the first one.
First, allow me to raise this point of order.